Recent reports circulating on the web have, to understate the obvious, caught our eye. These reports suggest that the James Webb Space Telescope has potentially recognized a counterfeit covering of city lights on Proxima B, one of the closest exoplanets to Earth. If these discoveries are accurate, they could answer one of humanity's most enduring questions. Are we the only intelligent creatures in the universe? If Proxima B is indeed home to an advanced alien civilization with visible city lights, it would be a remarkable discovery, as it would suggest that we are not the sole intelligent life forms in existence. This discovery could have significant implications for our understanding of the universe. But what is the real story behind these striking claims? Should we start preparing ourselves to communicate with extraterrestrial neighbors, or should we approach these sensational headlines with a healthy dose of skepticism? When we think about extraterrestrials, our minds often picture highly intelligent beings with advanced technology that far surpasses anything we can imagine. These extraterrestrials are typically depicted as spacefaring civilizations capable of traversing galaxies aboard advanced spacecraft. However, scientists specializing in astrobiology take a slightly different perspective. When searching for life beyond Earth, the focus isn't solely on intelligent species with complex technologies. In fact, the search for more primitive life forms, such as microorganisms, fungi, algae, and plants, is just as important as the search for advanced civilizations. This is especially significant considering that, at present, Earth is the only known planet in the universe where life has evolved into such complex structures. Even though we know that Earth has given rise to a diverse array of living organisms, we still don't fully understand how life began here or how it ultimately developed intelligence. For billions of years, Earth was home only to microorganisms, plants, and animals. It is only in a relatively short span of Earth's history that one species, humans, emerged and began making extraordinary advancements, such as the James Webb Space Telescope. Despite these advancements, even the most powerful telescopes we have built are still unable to definitively identify intelligent life elsewhere. Moreover, we have no idea if intelligent life elsewhere in the universe would resemble what we know on Earth. In the absence of other discoveries, we remain the only reference point in the search for life beyond our planet. This raises another crucial question. What conditions are necessary to sustain life, especially Earth-like life? When it comes to humanity, one thing is certain: we do not like the dark. From the earliest days of human existence, we have fought against the darkness of night. At first, we used fire to illuminate our surroundings, and later, we harnessed electricity to brighten the night. Over time, our artificial lights have become so bright that they can now be seen from space. The night sky, which once provided our ancestors with a breathtaking celestial display, is now often obscured in cities by light pollution. This brings us to an intriguing question. Could there be other planets where artificial lighting has evolved, and could we detect it from Earth? Could we, for example, observe the city lights of alien civilizations on distant planets like Proxima B? Fortunately, this isn't just a hypothetical idea. In fact, the question of alien technosignatures, signs of technological activity from extraterrestrial civilizations, has been explored by scientists for quite some time. A few years ago, Elisa Tabor from Stanford University and Harvard's Avi Loeb investigated the possibility of detecting light from a nearby exoplanet. Their study, however, focused specifically on Proxima B, which is located just 4.2 light-years from Earth, relatively close in cosmic terms. That said, while 4.2 light-years might seem relatively close, it actually amounts to an immense 37.8 trillion kilometers. With our current technology, it would take centuries to reach Proxima B. So, while detecting alien city lights is an enticing possibility, it is a far more complex challenge than we might hope. Luckily for Tabor and Loeb, their theoretical study did not require them to travel to Proxima B in person. Instead, they used computer models to assess the likelihood of detecting artificial lighting from such a distant exoplanet. However, the answer isn't as straightforward as we might expect. Even if Proxima B hosts an advanced civilization with artificial lighting, it is unlikely that current space telescopes, including the James Webb Space Telescope, could directly capture such lights. In fact, even the most sophisticated telescopes would struggle to observe city lights on Proxima B directly. Yet, there is another way to approach the problem. By measuring the amount of light the planet reflects from its host star, Proxima Centauri, and comparing these measurements to theoretical predictions, scientists could identify anomalies in the light signature of the planet. Planet recommending the presence of fake lighting. Just as the lights from Earth's urban communities are apparent from space, a high-level progress on Proxima B could likewise make a comparable sparkle. This is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes into play. Webb is the most impressive space telescope at any point sent off, with awareness up to multiple times greater than that of its ancestor, the Hubble Space Telescope. Webb's incredible awareness permits it to distinguish even the slightest sources of light, and in principle, it could detect the intensity transmitted by a little bug on the Moon's surface from Earth. For more than 2 years now, Webb has been sending back astounding pictures of far-off worlds, old stars, and the remnants of the earliest designs in the universe. Its discoveries have forced scientists to re-examine some lengthy held assumptions about the universe. Webb has uncovered, for example, galaxies that are very huge and advanced for their age, testing our models of cosmic evolution. Moreover, Webb's measurements have confirmed a disparity known as the Hubble strain, which suggests that the universe is expanding at a much faster rate than our current theories predict. Anyway, when it comes to detecting artificial city lights on Proxima B, Webb still hasn't delivered any definitive discoveries. The study by Tabor and Curve, which was published in May 2021, was based entirely on theoretical models. At the time, the James Webb Space Telescope had not yet been launched. It wasn't until December 2021 that Webb was sent into space, and the first images from the telescope weren't made available to the public until the summer of 2022. The headlines proposing that Webb had already identified fake city lights on Proxima B, to put it lightly, were somewhat of a misrepresentation. In reality, Tabor and Curve were merely investigating whether Webb could potentially make such a discovery in the future. At this point, we can't say whether life exists on Proxima B at all, let alone whether it has developed advanced technology. What we cannot deny is that Proxima B is situated in its star's habitable zone, meaning it orbits at a distance where liquid water could exist. Water is considered essential for life as we know it, but the mere presence of liquid water isn't enough to ensure habitability. The planet's climate, radiation levels, and other factors should also be conducive to supporting life. Proxima B's proximity to its host star, Proxima Centauri, presents extra challenges. The planet orbits only 7 million kilometers from its star, completing one full orbit in just 11 days. This close distance means that one side of Proxima B experiences extreme heat, while the opposite side remains frozen. Moreover, Proxima B is tidally locked, meaning it always shows the same face to its star. This creates an extreme contrast between the hot and cold sides of the planet, complicating the potential for life. Nevertheless, the investigation of Proxima B's habitability is still ongoing. Some scientists argue that there could be a narrow region between the hot and cold sides, the so-called twilight zone, where conditions might be suitable for life. Simulations suggest that water could be supplied to this zone by glaciers from the night side, melting and feeding the lakes and rivers of a twilight zone. While this hypothesis is intriguing, it remains theoretical. Moreover, Proxima Centauri has shown intense solar activity in the past, including large flares that could threaten the potential for life on the planet. If Proxima B truly does harbor an advanced alien civilization, when might the James Webb Space Telescope detect artificial lighting from the planet? Tabor and Curve studies suggest that if the inhabitants of Proxima B used artificial lighting like our own, their lights would have to be 500 times brighter than Earth's nighttime lights for Webb to detect them. If their lighting is closer to Earth's level, it would need to be more concentrated within a narrow frequency range for detection. Under these specific conditions, Webb could potentially detect the alien city lights, if they indeed exist. Given all the uncertainties involved, many researchers believe that we should continue thinking creatively and explore all possibilities in our search for extraterrestrial life. After all, since life on Earth evolved to see visible light and use artificial light, it doesn't mean that life on Proxima B would follow the same path. Perhaps the inhabitants of Proxima B have evolved without any form of sight, or their perception of the universe may be entirely different from ours. Perhaps they rely on sound or some form of communication totally foreign to us. It's not at all impossible that they don't use artificial lights at all. Ultimately, the power of the search for extraterrestrial life lies in the vast unknown. The possibilities are endless, and as we continue to study the universe, we may one day make discoveries that challenge everything we assumed we knew. To stay up to date on these exciting developments, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on any future updates. Until then, see you soon. The search for extraterrestrial life has captivated human imagination for centuries. However, recent advancements in space exploration and technology have brought us closer to answering some of humanity's most fundamental questions. One of the most thrilling advancements in this area is the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Yet, many challenges remain in the quest to uncover the truth about extraterrestrial life. While detecting artificial city lights on Proxima B is an exciting and captivating possibility, the obstacles of distance, technology, and the unpredictability of alien lifeforms should not be underestimated. It remains unclear whether Proxima B harbors life at all, let alone an advanced civilization capable of producing artificial lighting. For now, the search continues. The James Webb Space Telescope is a powerful tool in this pursuit, offering new insights into the universe that were previously unattainable. However, as we push forward in our exploration of distant stars and planets, we should approach extraordinary claims with caution. Until we have solid evidence, the discovery of alien city lights remains an enticing possibility, not a certainty. Meanwhile, our understanding of life beyond Earth continues to evolve, driven by advances in technology, astrobiology, and the dedication of scientists seeking answers to the profound question: are we alone in the universe? With each new discovery, we inch closer to understanding our place in the vast universe, and who knows what revelations lie ahead in the years to come.